lot of time and we all were very excited कि let's do something different. Not just a regular birthday party, but a party where we all enjoy and have a theme, and we all dress up well, and it's like my friends, they were really excited कि let's do something where we dress up well, and it really took us a lot of time to get everything sorted, because it's not an easy theme. It's like you have to really find things, and not everybody has everything at home like this kind of look. And we've also decided that we're going to go very close to the character, और हम उसमें से pick up भी करेंगे कौन सबसे closest dress up हुआ है, and I'm going to share it with you all. And I'm really eagerly waiting to see all my friends कि वो किस character में आए हैं. And as they all voted for me to be Bebo Chan, so I am here Bebo Chan, and I am waiting to see others how they are dressed up. And I just want this night to be really amazing, and not just a regular birthday, but a birthday where we all remember and become an event kind of thing, and have a great time together. So thank you, all of you, for coming here. It was definitely, and thanks to Rohit Verma, my very dear friend. This is his outfit, and he got me this outfit, and I've been styled by Rehan. And yes, by being them by my side, it was easier for me to get this look. But at the same time, it's not easy, because a lot of brainstorming was done. Okay, what we have to do, how we have to do, how we'll do it. So finally, this is the look that came out, and I'm so happy, and I hope you all like it too.
Well, when Shweta came up with the theme of Hiramanji, I think so. This is one thing which it's running in everybody's DNA right now. It's trending. So it couldn't be such a beautiful theme, better theme than Hiramanji. Of course, you have to support your friend. So I'm just wearing myself, and yes, and thank you, Shweta. Shweta is a very close friend of mine. She's a very beautiful human being. I genuinely love her a lot, and we just connected recently, almost like 6 months back, and the way we know each other, the way she's standing by me at 3 o'clock in the night, she's always there for me. One phone call, she will leave all her work for me. It really means a lot. I think I've lost of words to express her gratitude, and what a beautiful person. However, she looks so pretty herself, but her inner beauty is also very beautiful.
But so are you, Rohit, because
that goes without saying.
Yeah. And also my entire look has been curated by him, the outfit is by him. And yes, when he says the theme was because of me, no, the theme is because of him, not because of me. Because the kind of creativity he has, I don't think I have recently seen in anyone. And first of all, I would like to congratulate you for your show, which was like fantastic, because I was there to watch the show, and trust me, one of the most amazing show, most amazing outfits. And Rohit, I'm so proud of you for doing such an amazing concept. And since he has such amazing concept, my birthday thing was actually beautiful.
Thank you.
Shweta and Karan, what a lovely brother-sister duo. और Karan, we are so happy to see कि आपने अपनी बहन के बर्थडे में पूरा थीम रॉक किया, बहुत ब्यूटीफुली. क्या कैरेक्टर भी कर रहा है?
Absolutely, I think हमारे घर में सबसे ज़्यादा बर्थडे अगर किसी का चीज़ सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है तो वो हमारी बहन का है, और इसी की थीम थी, इसी का थॉट प्रोसेस था कि ये थीम रखेंगे, and of course I have to live up to it and set an example. So I tried to do my best, what I could do from my side. Now it's up to you whether you like it or you don't like it, if there are improvements. But
doesn't he do exactly like Tazdar?
I just want to say about character.
But thankful to the about the Tazdar look that we had.
Close up.
बाहर मत जाओ.
Okay. और ये ताजदार लुक काफ़ी अच्छा है और काफ़ी हिट हो चुका है. इसलिए मैंने ये आज आपके ऊपर ट्राई किया है, तो आज देखिए बाकी लोग का लुक भी कैसा है. I'm sure काफ़ी अच्छा.
Because everybody has tried a lot, and he's been preparing this since from Dubai.
Since from Dubai.
Abu Dhabi, yeah.
ये यहाँ से लेके आना है, ये दुबई से लेके आएंगे, ये अबू धाबी में मिला है, शर्ट बॉम्बे से लिया है, जैकेट और पैंट कहीं और से लिया है. So it's been a mixture of everything in this look.
Thank you so much, and Shweta, wish you a very happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
बहुत कंफ्यूजन था कि यार मतलब मैं क्या प्ले करूँ, मतलब आज मतलब बहुत से ऑप्शंस थे, लेकिन फिर मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना फरदीन खान जो वली मोहम्मद का कैरेक्टर जिन्होंने प्ले किया है हीरामंडी में, सो आई ट्राइड प्ले दैट कैरेक्टर. सो वो सिंपल था और अच्छा था, तो डिसेंट लुकिंग.
Yeah, something really nice in there. But thank you for coming and you're looking handsome as Pradeep Khan.
Since the theme is Hira Mandi, I would wish her loads and loads of diamonds, loads and loads of sparkle the entire year. And keep sparkling, keep smiling like this, keep spreading the sparkle, keep spreading the smiles. Wish her all the best, wish she has the best year of her life ever.